What did you do this morning? I'm going to guess you grabbed coffee. Maybe Starbucks, maybe from somewhere else, but you grabbed it. Now think about what you paid for that. $5? 6? 7? Every single day, like clockwork. And here's what most people never think about. While you are drinking that coffee, someone is getting rich. Not a little bit richer, billions of dollars richer, year after year after year. And if you are not a shareholder, none of that wealth is flowing to you. I am Maxine, Rich Auntie Knows. Today, we are talking about the most powerful wealth transfer you have been making every single day without even realizing it, and how to flip it. Stay with me. Let us do the math. If you buy Starbucks every weekday, just the weekdays, not weekends, that is 5 coffee runs per week. At $6 per coffee, that is $30 per week. That is $130 per month. That is $1,560 per year. Now stop and think about what that number means over time. Over 10 years, that is $15,600. Over 20 years, that is $31,200. Over 30 years of a working career, that is $46,800. $46,800. That could be a down payment on a house, a car, a year of college, a full retirement fund. Instead, it went to someone else's shareholders. Now here's the number that matters. Starbucks generates $37 billion in annual revenue. That is from 35,000 stores worldwide. Every single day, hundreds of millions of transactions. Every single transaction is a small profit margin multiplied by scale. The company is mature, profitable, proven. The stock is trading around $96 per share. But fractional shares mean you can start smaller. $25, $50, whatever fits your budget right now. But here is the number that should blow your mind. Starbucks has increased its dividend for 15 consecutive years. 15 years of guaranteed payments to shareholders, getting bigger every single year. If you owned even one share, you would be receiving those payments, watching your money compound automatically. But right now, you are just paying. I know what you are thinking. How did I not realize this? I have been buying Starbucks for 20 years. Stop right there. Put that down. There is a reason you did not think about it. Starbucks does not market stock ownership to you. They market coffee. They send you push notifications about new drinks, not about how you could own a piece of the company. That is deliberate design. But here is what the richest people figured out. You cannot stop consuming, so you might as well own what you consume. When you buy a Starbucks drink, you are not dumb. The company is just brilliant at making you want to come back. That is their job. That is what they are designed to do. The system was not designed for you to know about this. It was designed to keep you as a customer instead of an owner. But now you know, and everything changes. Here's the thing about Starbucks. They are not evil. They make good coffee. They created a ritual. They built a brand people trust. On that front, I give them credit. But they built something else too. A system engineered to make you come back every single day. Every decision, the store design, the music, the rewards program, the consistency is intentional. They study human behavior. They know what makes habits. It is working. 34.6 million active rewards members in the United States alone. Locked in, coming back without thinking, 6 to 7 visits per month on average. That is more than once a week. The cost to make the drink, 30 to 50 cents. What you pay? $5 to $7. After labor, rent, utilities. The company still returns billions to shareholders every year. That is the moat. That is the machine. And here is the part that gets interesting. They hold $3.5 billion right now on prepaid customer cards. Money customers already gave them. Money the company gets to use while they wait for you to spend it. The company returns those billions to shareholders. Dividends, buybacks, year after year, for 15 consecutive years. But you, the person who makes this machine run, you do not get paid. You just pay. You just come back. You just fund it. Here's what you do. Step one, open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, Public, no minimum. Takes 10 minutes. Step two, search for SBUX. That is the ticker. Current price is around $96 per share. Fractional shares mean you start with whatever you have. Step three, understand what you are buying. You are buying a company with 35,000 stores worldwide, 37 billion in annual revenue, a company that has proven for 15 years it can return wealth to shareholders. Step 4, set up automatic investing. This is the most important step. Do not wait for the perfect time. Set it and forget it. $25 per month, $50, 100. Whatever you can commit to. Some months the stock is higher, some months it is lower. Over time, the average evens out. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it is how wealth is actually built. Step 5, turn on DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. Starbucks pays you every quarter. Do not take that money. Reinvest it automatically. Here's what happens. You buy coffee. Money flows to Starbucks. Starbucks pays you dividends. You reinvest those dividends to buy more shares. Now the company is paying you to own it while you shop there. That is the flip. You understand the Starbucks machine because you live it every morning. You know it works. You know people will keep coming back. Now own a piece of it. Starbucks is worth $110 billion because they understood something fundamental. People value ritual. Your morning coffee is not just a drink, it is a moment, a transition, a habit you do not think about. Starbucks extracted that value and built a company, a machine that turns 30 cents into billions. You cannot stop that machine. You do not want to. You like your coffee, but you can stop funding it without owning it. Here's what I want you to understand. The richest people in the world do not avoid consumption. They own consumption. They do not say, I will never drink Starbucks. They say, I will drink Starbucks and own the company that profits from it. That is not complicated. That is not even difficult. Open an app, click a button, set up automatic investing. That is it. Your morning coffee ritual is not going to change. But now it can build your wealth instead of just someone else's. Share this with someone who buys Starbucks every single day and has never thought about owning it. This is how the wealth gap closes. One person at a time, learning to own instead of just consume. I will see you in the next video. Rich Auntie Knows.